Well, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Honorable all of the examiners, Mr. Dr. Andus Kalaya Hasibuan MED, Mem Kurnia Budianti MPD, Mr. Idam Syaputra MED, and Mom Nelvia Ibrahim MPD. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Siti Rahmawati. In this opportunity, I would like to thanks to all the examiners and participants who has given me a chance to present my research entitled The Correlation Between Students' Instrumental Motivation and Their English Learning Achievement at Babu Salam Senior High School, Pekanbaru. Come to the background of the problem. According to Purwanti, Puspita, and Mulyadi 2019, motivation carries students to achieve certain goals in learning the target language. Those goals can direct them to be students who have good proficiency in English. A lack of motivation can explain why some students make little effort to learn and fail to complete their assignments that are within their ability. Such students don't take part in lesson, nor do they ask for support when they fail to understand. Basically, second or foreign language learners are being motivated by four types of motivation. They are extrinsic motivation, intrinsic motivation, integrative motivation, and instrumental motivation. In Indonesia, the government regulation of the Republic Indonesia number 17 of 2010 on management and education aims to build a foundation for the development of the potential of learners to become self-reliant and self-confident. Actually, from the concept, it's clear that one of the learning objectives of 2013 curriculum is to provide motivation and self-confidence so that the students can develop their talents and interests maximally. Babu Salam Senior High School is one of the students in Pekanbaru in which English should be as a compulsory subject. The school also used 2013 curriculum. Related to the curriculum, if the students cannot be motivated in learning, the learning objective will be not as the curriculum and regulation expects. Then the learning process will not be effective and successful. Based on the writer's preliminary study before the COVID-19 situation by interviewing the English teacher at the school, the writer indicated that the 11th grade students had different motivation and achievement in learning English. Then on 7 until 12 of April 2020, the writer also did a virtual interview to ask the students directly related to their interests, difficulties, motivation, and achievement in learning English via WhatsApp Messenger. The reason why the writer used a virtual interview was because of coronavirus pandemic situation. The interview was conducted to the 3 students with the different English level from high average to low academic grade. The teacher recommended only 3 students at that time. It was found out that the 11th grade students in the school also get different levels in their English ability, interest, achievement, and motivation. They almost have the same motivation to learn English, which is called instrumental motivation. However, they have different abilities and interests in English. They also have different achievement in learning English. Some of the students got high achievement and the rest were enough or low. Some experts said that if the students have instrumental motivation, they will have good or high achievement. In this case, not all students who have instrumental motivation get a good or high achievement. The student who has average academic grade is interested in learning English but still has lack of abilities in English skill. However, she realized that English is very important for furthering her study abroad. Moreover, English also can be used to communicate with foreigners. The enough or low students also has the instrumental motivation even though it's not the same as other, but she has. She lacks of interest and abilities in English, but she realized that English is important for her study and also can be used for traveling. Then the student that has high achievement because of she has instrumental motivation, it can give her a sense of achievement at school. Moreover, she also can use English for her future career and study abroad. So from the phenomena, it seems that the high instrumental motivation correlated with high achievement, like the high grade students one. Also, the difference in instrumental motivation influenced their achievement. Because of that, the writer got interested in taking this topic for research. The writer thought that instrumental motivation was one of the key of students' success in learning English, because they need to know how important English is for their future career. On top of that, she thought that the result of the research might help teachers to find more ways to evolve teaching and learning strategies. Based on the phenomena described above, the writer was interested in investigating the problem into research entitled "The Correlation Between Students' Instrumental Motivation and Their English Learning Achievement at the 11th Grade Students of Babu Salam Senior High School, Pekanbaru." So the researchers identified the problem as the first, the low student had instrumental motivation, but she still had a lack of interest and abilities in learning English. And then the average students had different motivation, instrumental motivation, but she still had a lack of abilities in some of English skills, such as speaking skill, and also less interest in reading. And then the high student had different instrumental motivation too, but she had high achievement. Then the researchers only limit and focus on the correlation between students' instrumental motivation and their English learning achievement at Babu Salam Senior High School. The writer questions were formulated in the following research question. First, how is the students' instrumental motivation at Babu Salam Senior High School, Pekanbaru? And then, how is the students' English learning achievement at the 11th grade of Babu Salam Senior High School, Pekanbaru? And then, is there any significant correlation between students' instrumental motivation and their English learning achievement at Babu Salam Senior High School, Pekanbaru? For the operational concept, in this research there were two variables. The first is students' instrumental motivation as the independent variable or variable X, and students' English learning achievement as the dependent variable or variable Y. Variable X can be seen as the following indicators. The first, the students use English for passing different tests, and then the student use English for going to college, and then the students use English for reading technical materials for specific information. Then the students use English for hunting for a job. The students use English for requesting better pay, and the students use English for achievement higher social status. And for the variable Y, it can be seen based on the teaching and learning purpose on 2013 curriculum in syllabus at the 11th grade of Babu Salam Senior High School, Pekanbaru. For the assumption and hypothesis, the better students' instrumental motivation in learning English, the higher their achievement will be. For the HA hypothesis, there is a significant correlation between students' instrumental motivation in learning English and their English learning achievement. And for HO hypothesis, there is no significant correlation between students' instrumental motivation and their English learning achievement. For the method of the research, the researcher used correlational research design, and the time of location of the research did on February 2021 at Babu Salam Senior High School, Pekanbaru. For subject and object, the subject of this research is the 11th grade students of Babu Salam Senior High School, Pekanbaru, and the object of this research is the students' instrumental motivation and their English learning achievement. For population and sample of this research, the population was 101 students, and the sample was 25 students by using purposive sampling technique. And for the technique of data collection, use questionnaire and documentation. And the data analyze use per Monroe technique by SPSS 23.0 program for Windows. And then the data analysis. For normality test, the students' instrumental motivation was normal and the students' English learning achievement was not normal, so the data distribution was not normally distributed and become non-parametric statistical analysis approach and will use Spearman row correlation. And for the descriptive analysis, the mean score of student instrumental motivation was 81.28. The category of instrumental motivation was very good, and the mean score of students' English learning achievement was 91.48. The category for students' achievement in learning English was very good. And for the finding, the correlation between students' instrumental motivation and their English learning achievement, based on the output of the statistical analysis, it was known that the significance value or sig-to-tate was 0.421 because the sig-to-tate or the value 0.41 and 0.421 is bigger than 0.05. The result showed that the score was not significantly correlated between students' instrumental motivation and their English learning achievement. So the conclusion of this research is all students are aware of how important learning English is regardless of their achievement score, but it is notable that instrumental motivation is not significantly correlated to the achievement score. I think that's all for me. I'm so sorry for my mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.